What's up, traders? Traders here. Let's do a pre-close analysis for the 9th of December, Monday. So euro dollar. Let's just dive into euro dollar first. On the weekly time frame going into the week, I am bullish because we had two bullish candles in a row. Even though this is a doji candle that took out the highs, I am technically bullish, especially for the first couple of days, and then we'll see how CPI plays out, and then I'll decide which direction price is going to go. But until then, tomorrow I'm going to wait for price to take out Monday's low and then look for some kind of an entry. We've got no news coming out, so yeah, so I won't have to wait for any news to come out. If previous day's lows taken out, then I will look to go long. Today we came into this inverse fair value gap on the daily time frame and rejected it, I believe, before London Open, pushed up and then pushed down again during later half of the session. So we'll just dive into the lower time frames to see what happened. Some key levels is this low right here that price can potentially come down to. If it does, just support and resistance level to look for liquidity grab and opportunities to go long and short. Yep, on the 4-hour time frame, we came down into this inverse fair value gap that we rejected before London session, pushed up, tapped into this order block, failed to close above and found resistance. So this order block right there. We also had this breaker, market structure shift, and then this is essentially a pullback. We had the order block right there, and then maybe we tapped into the 50% of this order block and rejected with this bearish engulfing candle. And since then we've just been dropping. Prediction next, potentially previous day's low, but I'm not gonna be fully certain. We just rejected a key level up here. Right, we just rejected a key level here. This buys high liquidity, displaced lower, rejected some order blocks on the 240 and 60, and we are displacing lower, leaving some fair value gaps along the way here. Got a breaker, so at the moment I'm not really interested in going long to around to this area unless we get the previous day's low is taken out. Even better, we've got some swing lows right here above these fair value gaps that price can come into, but we've got no news tomorrow, so we'll see how it plays out. So yeah, you could make the prediction that price, because we're displacing lower, we could pull back here and then drop lower. That's a potential prediction going into London session tomorrow. So we'll have to see in my pre-market analysis where price is during London Open. I definitely would not have predicted price to pull back this deep because, like I said, I was bullish going into the week, and after seeing this push up, look how price failed to closed above the 1-hour time frame as well, right? We had a market structure shift, and then we came back. I was waiting for price to tap into this fair value gap and then look for a long. However, we only tapped into the low of this swing right there and then pushed up. So unfortunately, I didn't get the trade. Had it tapped into this fair value gap, I would have gone long. And then we got this market structure shift with this bullish candle, it's not an engulfing candle, which was immediately followed by this bearish engulfing candles, which is quite a statement candle to suggest we're going to continue lower, especially after rejecting these highs up here. Essentially right now I don't know what price is going to do. Could go up, go back down. Ideally I wanted to go down to previous day's low and then look for opportunities to go long. I won't go because of this weekly time frame candle, this doji bullish candle. I'm not going to be long all the way up to previous week's high. It would be a short-term long if it comes down to previous day's lows and gives me an opportunity. Same with pound dollar. I'm bullish for the week because we had two bullish candles in a row, but one of them is a doji candle that took out the weeks before that's high, held the 50% off the bearish fair value gap, but it's regardless still bullish. We rejected this bullish fair value gap after last week, I believe Monday, and then pushed up. Another market structure shift. However, to me, the bullish move has already been made, right? That 3-point move has already been made, and now we could potentially see a deeper retracement. unless if we don't and we just pull back and go up, then I'll expect some kind of a bullish run. But at the moment, I'm not too convinced. We came into this order block similar to euro dollar during Asian session, rejected it, pushed up, rejected this fair value gaps 50% one more time, and then dropped. And similar to euro dollar, I'm gonna wait for previous day's high or low, so this low to be taken before I look for any opportunities to go long. And the way it's moving at the moment, right, we tried to push up, dropped, then we tried to push up, and I'm gonna see how this plays out. If it drops again, maybe it will come deeper. I like these equal lows, relative equal lows. Not sure if price will come to that level. That's quite deep, unless it's coming down with some kind of a purpose. At the moment, yeah, similar to euro dollar, I don't really have much direction in this. But because of the weekly time frame, I will look for trades at previous day's low, which is right there. So yeah, not a lot going on. See how 1 hour played out. Yeah, 1 hour tapped into that order block. This is 1 a.m. candle. That's 7 a.m. candle UK time, or 6 a.m. close. And then price just pumps up. Pumps up similar to euro dollar. Wasn't sure how deep he was going to retrace. Pushed up. We had a market structure shift, right? If this is a market structure shift, then you're trapped and you're caught on the opposite side as liquidity. Now, is it going to find support around here? That would be pretty good because it's below the swing low. We have a fair value gap, but like I said, I want to see previous days lows taken out before I look for any opportunity to go long. We've got this order block. We've got this fair value gap that was previously rejected. I do want to see price sweep the low first and then provide some kind of entry, which would be a good ideal entry to go long. Yeah, so that's my analysis for tomorrow. So let's see how that plays out.